welcome back to my channel. It's Casey. Today I'm going to be doing a weekend vlog for all of you, so I'm going to take you along with me everywhere. It's literally been raining for like the last 4 days straight, and today is the first sunny day, so I'm excited to get out of my apartment. I'm gonna start by getting coffee, making myself some food because I went on an 8.5 mile run this morning, so I need to refuel after that. And yeah, I'm just gonna take you along with me. I hope you enjoy it. I just got to, well, I'm not technically there yet, Alfred Coffee, which is in Brentwood, and I had a really hard time finding parking because obviously parking is really bad in LA, but it's actually worse in Brentwood. I'm going to walk over there. I parked in a Whole Foods parking lot. I'm gonna walk over to Alfred and I will show you what I'm going to get. I've actually never been to Alfred Coffee before, so I think I'm just gonna get their basic like Alfred blend with oat milk. Hey guys, just a friendly update that I spilled coffee all over my white shirt, but it tasted good. I've changed my shirt. My other shirt is in the washing machine. Thanks to my roommate Tiffany. My roommate Tiffany provided me with some stain removing liquid, so I'm really hoping that works. And I think it will because the stain mostly came out before I threw it in the washing machine, so when it comes out of the official washing machine, it should be white again. You know, it's still there, but it's obviously much better than when it first happened. Also, I'm really hungry. I feel like I should go eat. I had initially planned on eating some food while I was in the Brentwood area, but then I jumped in my car and drove back to wash my shirt. One nap and and a grocery store later, I am at Target, and I think that what did he say?
He said, I'm in the vlog.
He's in the vlog. Wait, it was like they were young, right?
Oh yeah, they were hooligans.
Okay, so we're at Target now, and then I'm going to go to Whole Foods and get myself dinner because I'm too lazy to cook. Watching The Office and eating a pomelo,
I think. No one attacked me, I don't know how to say it.
How does it taste, Tiff?
Like a grapefruit, but less bitter.
Great description.
How does it compare?
Here's my pomelo. It squirts all over the place if you try to use a spoon. Also, the skin is really thick, if you can see that. Hi, Anakin. Hi. Oh, hello. Good morning, everyone. It is indeed a new day. My mom and I are about to go hiking, which I don't know if it's fair to really call a hike. It's a little bit more of a walk with a slight incline, but it's a perfect rest day activity for me, especially since I just ran 8.5 miles yesterday. So we're going to be doing that. I have not eaten breakfast yet, so I'm kind of hungry, but I did drink some tea. I'm currently walking up. It's a really chill walk. It's really nice. So here's our view at the moment. Good old-fashioned suburbs. But this mountain is really nice because the road is paved, so it's really not a lot of effort to climb. And I'm very sore from yesterday's run, so this is a perfect little soreness reliever, and then I'll probably stretch afterwards to additionally help with that. We've made it to the top. Well, technically the top is actually not where I am right now. This little middle area is sufficient to call the top. We ate and then I showered and I got ready, and now I think I might go eat again because I'm still hungry. I think I might go to Target or the grocery store, even though I was just at Target and the grocery store last night, because I don't know, I feel like just being an adult, you always have to go. And it's not even like that I forget what I need to buy. It's that I buy everything that I had on my list that I needed, and then suddenly I need something else. So I'm accompanying my mom to the grocery store. I'm gonna pick up some snacks, some food for dinner. Eating my honeydew melon. Eating my melon. Good morning, guys. It's a new day. I was going to go to the gym this morning, but then I didn't feel like it, so I didn't go. I still need to get dressed, and then my mom and I are gonna go to Starbucks because a new one just opened up by our house, and it gives us an excuse to check it out by going and ordering lots of sugary drinks. So I will see you there. We're at Starbucks. Looks the same as every other Starbucks that I've ever been in. Very exciting. But it's very close to my house, and if I wanted to, I could walk, but we didn't walk because we're lazy. Cheers. Oh, that's fine. Cheers. Guys, they spelled my name right. This never happens, ever. There's so many ways to spell Caitlin that everyone messes it up. And they always say like C or a K, and I always say K, but they always spell it with an AI instead of an A-T-E-L-Y-N. So, oh, it's not too hot. Because we never stop baking in this house, we're gonna make some pumpkin muffins. It definitely doesn't deserve its own video because it's like 2 ingredients plus water. So it's really easy, and I'm just gonna make them right now.